A little bit further down Route 66 now in Missouri. Stopped off at the place we stopped at last year, but it's real cool. It's worth stopping again. In Uranus, Missouri. At the Uranus Fudge Factory. There's just a bunch of weird stuff here. Route 66 has all kinds of weird stuff. Little dinosaurs. Route 66 and right by the interstate that killed it. There's an old Uranus fire department truck. I'm not climbing up on that. You can climb up on it. Gonna stick your head in this. I got a picture of you doing it last year. I'm not gonna do it. I got a picture of you in that same one from last year. Your head's about too big to go in it now. I had almost thought doing this trip, doing the whole Route 66. We were out here a few days ago. I've made it up to here. I don't know if we'll stop in St. Louis or not. And it goes up, ends in Chicago. If I remember right, back here, it's the world's largest belt buckle. Is that right? Was that over here? Yeah, there it is. Let's go check out some other stuff in Uranus. Uranus Police Department to serve and protect Uranus. Right by the Uranus City Jail. Go on up to this general store. We've got a Uranus Fudge Factory too. Charlie got some fudge last year. Zotar too. Can't record here long. The music playing and get flagged. Part of a rocket or something. If I had to guess, I'd say it was probably from some ride or another roadside attraction somewhere. Old tow truck. Phillips 66. Brownell, Kansas. That's cool. Are you ready? Oh, let's go check this one thing out before we go. water tower here. Uranus, Missouri. Home of the Pirates. Alright. Now we'll head.